Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Best Deals Today. We're excited to review the robot vacuum with self-empty base, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the robot vacuum, featuring 9,000 Pascal suction, self-empty base, and Wi-Fi/app Alexa control. This robot vacuum is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance. The robot vacuum boasts a self-emptying base that stores up to 85 days of dust, making it perfect for busy households or those who want to maintain a clean home with minimal effort. The ultra-slim design fits under sofas, beds, and other hard-to-reach areas. This robot vacuum features advanced navigation, ensuring full coverage without bumping into furniture. The high-efficiency filtration captures allergens, dander, and hair, keeping your home cleaner and healthier every day. The robot vacuum comes with smart app and voice control, allowing you to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and monitor cleaning progress anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the robot vacuum is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The robot vacuum is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the robot vacuum.